Make her take the ball, she'll see you later.
I'm on a dream like, team like, living like one of the boys.
She got it going, she got it going
I'm
on.
gonna play like Friday night, kick it like one of the boys.
She got it going, she got it going on.
What's up, everybody, and welcome back to the Bobcat Broadcast. And today I'm here with Mrs. Turley, and she's going to teach us a quick snack that you can make at home. She's going to be making the famous cane sauce. It's actually super easy and simple to make, so let's get started.
Okay, so first thing we're gonna do before we make the sauce is to make sure we have something to dip into the sauce. I personally am obsessed with our air fryer. Miss Craig and I actually use this almost every day. And this is my choice of chicken chunks. These are actually from Costco. Sam's has their own version, but they're lightly breaded. You have no idea that they don't have as much breading, but they have less carbs, but tons of protein. So go get yourself some of these, put some of them in the air fryer. We've got those baking or frying for when our sauce is done. Okay, so to make the sauce, we only need like 6 ingredients, and you probably have them all in your house, which is awesome. So the first one is half a cup of mayonnaise. Yes, that's a lot of mayonnaise, in case you were curious. Anytime you're making a sauce like this or any type of cooking, not baking, it doesn't have to be an exact science. It can be to taste. So we're gonna stick that here inside, make sure we get all of that fatty goodness. All right, after that, we're gonna have 3 tablespoons of ketchup. This is a good one for us to do today because then I can throw these bottles away. All right, the next one is 1.5 tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce. However you all want to say it. So that's quite a bit, but this is gonna give it that nice rich flavor. All right, after that, we're gonna put 1 teaspoon of garlic powder. Now here's a fun cooking fact if you didn't know it. Anytime you do a spice that's like this, they're dried. So if you put it in your hand first, of course, washing your hands, and then you rub it together before it goes into anything you're making, it's going to waken all of those flavors and it's gonna taste way, way better. So do that if you have any of those sleepy spices. We're gonna put about half a teaspoon of pepper, and then just about half a teaspoon of salt. And then we're gonna stir it all up. Slowly gonna come together. Again, this is one of those that if you taste it and you want more of a certain sauce, you can. And just like that, our chicken is done. And we've got our sauce right here. So best part about our air fryer, we just take it out, we pop it right in. Be careful, it's super hot. And now you have your homemade Cane's chicken with your sauce.
All right, we got the whole staff here. We're about to try this Cane's replica sauce. Let's get it. All right, let me know.
He's got the golden.
Oh, very hot. Tastes like Cane's. Let's go.
I get that a 10 out of 10.
So good. And that concludes our segment with Cooking with Turley. And next time you're hungry, just make yourself some cane sauce and it's great. So see you next time.